Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to save an Outlook email as PDF. So, if you want to save an email as a PDF file, you wanna go to your folder with the email that you want to save as PDF file, and you want to open this specific email by just double clicking on the email, and this window should come up to your screen with this specific email, not this one, but the specific you have just opened. And what you want to do is to click File and then go to Print. Then what you want to do is to select the printer that is called Microsoft Print to PDF. If you have selected, you just want to go now and click Print. And now this window should come. And for example, let's say for me, I want to save it on the main screen, so the desktop. And file name, let's say saving email as PDF file. As you can see, save as type PDF document is selected right here, and what you want to do is just click save. And now, as you can see, this is this email, the subject is here, and the mail is here. Let's go to the desktop right now, and here is this specific email that I have just saved as PDF. Let's open it. And as you can see, this is the email that I have saved as PDF. So this is how you save an email as PDF in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider clicking subscribe. Bye!